Let's go, everyone. Today we have a special unboxing. It is a overpriced blanket, family loomed by some family in the Midwest or something. Ooh, the company is called Superstitchous, I believe. Look at this. Wow, this is nice packaging. Oh, wow. It's pomegranate blanket. Wow, this is really nice. Oh, look at this. Okay. This cute sticker. Oh, let's see what this card says. Pomegranate, I think it stands for like prosperity and some other stuff. Oh, here it says, the pomegranate represents life and abundance in many cultures. Ancient Greeks celebrated it as a symbol of fertility, and in feng shui, pomegranate signify familial happiness. We hope that you love your blanket and that it brings you good fortune and warm memories. Superstitchous.com. So, yeah, it's from a mom. Found her, wanted the blanket. Cop this. Coolest blanket I've seen. Here we go. Oh, wow, wrapped all tightly. Wow, made in the USA. So soft, so warm feeling. Yeah, that's gonna go try it out. Can't wait anymore, guys. Gotta go. Cool. Talk to you next time. Bye.